Have you ever wondered why Prague is a must-visit city? A question to ponder as we delve into the allure of this captivating city. What makes Prague so irresistibly charming? Stick around as we unveil the top 5 reasons why you should pack your bags and head to Prague. Kicking off our countdown at number 5 is Prague's stunning architecture. This city is a visual feast, boasting a unique blend of Gothic, Renaissance, and Baroque styles that will leave you in awe. Imagine strolling through the cobblestone streets, gazing up at iconic landmarks like the astronomical clock, Charles Bridge, and Prague Castle. Each of these architectural marvels tells a story, adds character to the city, and creates a mesmerizing backdrop for your adventures. In Prague, every corner is a postcard. At number 4 on our list is Prague's rich, vibrant history. From its humble beginnings as a settlement, Prague has grown into a city that has played a pivotal role in major historical events, such as World War II and the Velvet Revolution. This history isn't just confined to textbooks, it's embedded in the city's museums and monuments, making the past palpable to its visitors. Every cobblestone, every building has a story to tell. Prague is a living history book, waiting to be read. Our third reason to visit Prague: the food and beer. Prague is a haven for foodies with its hearty Czech cuisine. Indulge in traditional dishes like goulash and trdelník that will leave your palate yearning for more. And let's not forget the country's world-renowned Pilsner beer. It's a must-try for all beer enthusiasts. There are ample food tours and beer tasting options available, offering an immersive experience of Prague's culinary and brewing culture. In Prague, your taste buds are in for a treat. Coming in at number 2 is the affordability of traveling in Prague. This gorgeous city is a hidden gem that offers cost-effective experiences unlike any other in Europe. You can find comfortable accommodations that won't empty your wallet, dine on delicious local cuisine for less than you'd expect, and explore the city's stunning attractions on a budget. Even the most lavish experiences in Prague are surprisingly affordable. So, whether you're a budget traveler or a luxury seeker, Prague offers a luxury experience without breaking the bank. And the number 1 reason to visit Prague? Its unbeatable atmosphere and vibe. The city pulses with vibrant energy, like a heartbeat echoing through its cobblestone streets. The locals, friendly and welcoming, infuse the air with a warmth that's as tangible as the ancient bricks beneath your feet. As night falls, the city transforms into a playground of lively nightlife and cultural events, each one a testament to Prague's enduring spirit. Prague's charm is something you must experience for yourself. So there you have it. The top 5 reasons why Prague should be on your travel bucket list. From its stunning architecture to its rich history, delicious cuisine, affordability, and vibrant atmosphere. Don't just take our word for it. Experience the magic of Prague for yourself. Safe travels.